Yeah, let's come on Zoom call. I think that way sound will come. I think there's no sound. Yeah. Oh my God, guys! In this completely winning position, he has lost it now. Knight f7 check incoming.
सागर भाई mute yourself on Discord. जा ही नहीं रहा, ठीक है?
Okay.
What?
It's a big blunder by Samay.
Samay has lost this game.
I think he has to collect himself and just like.
There is no way to collect.
Continue.
There is no way to collect. I think just Queen G6, Knight F7, Queen G8, all moves are winning. He's lost a rook. He's lost everything.
I think Joel might cry.
Bishop.
Check. And now bishop has to go back. Or knight, whatever you piece you make. Then I can take knight G6 now. I can take bishop F6 now. Guys, this is over. Bone crushing. Guys, sorry for the no sound there, but you know, you could see that first Samay blundered, then Joel blundered, then Samay blundered, then Joel didn't give him a chance. There were 3 back-to-back mistakes that happened. That's the pressure of Armageddon.
Wait a minute. We still have time.
What should Joel do now?
I think just take here. I mean, he can just exchange pieces because if you count the material, Samay is an entire rook down. एक पूरा का पूरा रुक डाउन है और कुछ नहीं ये एक्सचेंज
yes,
oh my god, has he given him a chance? Because now Samay is only an exchange down, but also pawn, also 2 pawns down. Guys, that's too much. That's too much.
Play fast. Make him think.
Look at Vaibhav, still hopeful that here Samay can win. Guys, if you look at material, exchange up for white means 2 extra points. Plus 2 pawns up means or 2 extra points. So 4 points up Joel is right now.
Make a move. Take, capture.
Yeah, takes and e5. I think that looks like a good idea. e5. Don't exchange too many pawns. Now, maybe threatening e4. Oh, 94, bishop e1.
Capture.
Oh my god.
He saw it.
Still.
Oh, but Joel still has an advantage.
Joel has an advantage. Clearly here, he's still 2 pawns up.
Not clear.
C4, rook b8, rook b4.
Oh my god, I don't think. Oh, this is not going to be easy.
But these 3 pawns.
3 pawns are very strong.
But strong. I'm telling you, like this, like I don't know. Joel needs to figure out how and push C4.
Yeah, rook b4 with the idea of C4. I think Samay is getting back here. C4. Because a draw is enough for him. Yes, he plays C4. Will these pawns be quicker or will these pawns here be quicker? G5. Oh, D3. D3 is actually now take. Oh, Samay blunders.
Oh.
D3 was the move there. Now just CB3 and it's very difficult for him to create play now. Now C5, C4 takes a lot of time.
Bring back the rook. He has to save now, otherwise, yeah.
Yeah, but that's gone, guys. This is gone. H4.
Just the H4 now can just...
H5, H6. Ooh.
Nanna Munna Rahi time, guys. Nanna Munna Rahi time.
Yeah, the pawns are coming in. B takes C4. Just take it. Now there's nothing more to play for here.
That's what we said 20 seconds ago.
Wait a second.
Oh man, yes.
Wait a second.
Yeah. Okay, I'll wait, guys. I understand. Oh, if King D3, now rook here, check and he can win the rook. No, wait. King C4. He moves up. Game is not over, guys. Oh, he blundered. Oh my god. What's happening to Joel? He could have gone King D5. Now rook G4. This is a draw. Unbelievable drama, guys. Rook F5. Now E4 check and he will lose the rook. Go, blunder! Samay wins! Guys, Samay Rana is destined to go to the finals. He has won this. Oh my God. Offers a draw. Samay accepts it. Oh, Black won by resignation. Samay Rana moves to the to the finals. Unbelievable.
Oh man.
Joel, you are there. You are winning completely. What happened?
OP in the chat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bye bye. इधर आ तू भाई गले मिल मेरे को यार.
भाई साहब.
Bye. Oh man. Oh.
Samay, Joel, your mic is muted.
Ah.
What are your feelings, Samay? How are you feeling? Please share. Guys, these are the emotions. These are the emotions. He cannot even talk.
I hate myself right now. I had won clearly. I had won everything, but I think I just tried to win quicker, which was a problem. But and I just can't play another 2 games. I think
No, you don't have to play another 2 games. For what?
third, fourth.
नहीं है.
So it's fourth, eh?
I mean, it's based on your standings in the preliminaries. So you finished 4th and Vaibhav is 3rd.
Man, this was what I actually showed because I was winning so much. Oh my God.
No problem, Joel. बहुत मजा आया, bro. This game completely was yours. I just don't know how.
I could have just done anything.